Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable countertop dishwashers, the AIRMSEN and the Farberware. Both models offer unique features and specifications, making them suitable for small kitchens, RVs, and apartments. In this video, we will explore their dimensions, washing programs, and additional features to help you make an informed choice. The AIRMSEN measures 16.75 inches wide, 16.86 inches deep, and 18.05 inches high, making it a compact option for tight spaces. In contrast, the Farberware is slightly larger at 16.5 inches wide, 17.3 inches deep, and 17.3 inches high. While both are designed for portability, the AIRMSEN's dimensions may make it a better fit for smaller areas. Both dishwashers offer 5 washing programs, including normal, speed, glass, baby care, and fruit for the AIRMSEN. The Farberware also provides 5 wash cycles, although specific details on these programs are less clear. This similarity allows users to choose the right cycle for their cleaning needs, whether it's for dishes, glassware, or baby products. The AIRMSEN stands out with additional features like a 60-minute extra drying option and 72-hour ventilated storage, enhancing its usability. On the other hand, the Farberware focuses on simplicity with a user-friendly LED display but lacks these extra functionalities. Depending on your needs, these features could significantly impact your decision. In conclusion, both the AIRMSEN and Farberware portable dishwashers offer great features for compact living. The AIRMSEN provides more advanced functionalities, while the Farberware is a solid choice for those seeking simplicity at a lower price. We hope this comparison helps you make the right choice for your kitchen needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.